So just to show you on the lights here, those work. Has a little crack there on the lens, these bullet lights, but they do work. The Playtech Racing sticker decal actually glows in the dark. It's kind of hard to tell. Let me see if I can get on this side for you. But it lights up. So here are gonna be your dash lights are all on. This is your dash lights. It's second toggle switch. First toggle switch is the off-road lights right there. And then the ones in the back are your, obviously, dash lights, tail lights, brake lights, and then your lighted whip light, which will be this bottom one right there. Put your lighted whip on. Kind of hard to see, but it works. So those are the lights. Just need to find the ground on these. And like I said, the front light probably just needs another lens there.